What's good, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Brad, and today will be my first YouTube video. I'm going to be recording on my Samsung phone for now. Eventually I will get a GoPro to have better quality videos. Let's get into the video here. We're going to start off with card unboxing. We're going to start with vintage baseball cards ranging from around 1988 all the way up to, I want to say, 1993. They're all in unopened packages. I've already opened the boxes and sorted them by year and brand. So let's get started. Here's some of the cards that I've got. This one is mostly Donruss, and I got some random single packs in here, or 2 packs each. And this box here we have mostly scores, and I think that's it in this box. And this one I have some Upper Deck and mostly Top and Fleer. For all these cards here, there's about a little over 300 packs that are unopened. So I'm going to start with a small box here, and let's get into it. I'm going to put this phone in a box to kind of hold it at an angle so we can see what's going on with the unboxing here. Alright, I hope you guys can see what we got here. We got some Leaf set, Series 2. These are, I'm not sure what year these are. 1991. So I'm going to be wearing gloves during these openings. I just don't know where these cards have been and who may have touched them. I got these off eBay and a bulk lot. So I'm not going to spend a lot of time going through all these cards and saying the names of the players. If I see a card that's kind of cool, like a rare one, I'll kind of stop and show that off. But besides that, I'm going to try not to do too much talking because it's kind of boring just hearing people read off names. These packs here, they got puzzle cards. I guess Sammy Sosa. Now I'm going to probably go through about 20 packs on this video here. Now, I'm not a card collector. I haven't had any sports cards since about 96 when I was like 11. So none of these cards really mean much to me. If there's anything that you like and would want them, I'm gonna create a Instagram so you guys can message me if you want to buy something, or if you just want to get some of these cards in bulk for pretty cheap. Now, I think I have 10 packs of these ones right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, I have 8. Looks like 8 packs of these ones. All right. Looks like we got some kind of rare one out of this pack. I don't know what it is, but it has a BC23 on it. I'll look that up later. I'll just kind of put these special ones off to the side. We got a Roger Clemens. Now, I don't know a lot of these players. I just know some of the big names. As you can see, all these packs are unopened. Looks like we got another one of those rare type cards. Got Mark McGuire. Edgar Martinez. We have one of the checklist cards. Sandy Alomar. Go Tribe. And yes, I am in Ohio. That's why I say Go Tribe. We got Deion Sanders. Right now, I just have baseball cards. I I have ordered a bunch of NBA vintage ones and also NFL. I have a couple packs of the basketball, like 20 packs right now. Still waiting for the rest to come in the mail, probably Saturday, depending on when this video is uploaded. The football ones won't be coming until late next week, but the way I have all these packs, it'll probably take me 2 months to go through them all because I don't want to make like 2-hour-long videos. So I'll probably just do 20-minute videos, maybe 20 packs, and then quit. But this new pack, we got a special Nolan Ryan. Now I don't know how like special these are, like the Nolan Ryan one, but it's more than just a base player card. So I'll just say that it's kind of a special. Tony Gwynn. Looks like we're about 11 minutes into the video right now, so we're doing pretty good. I hope the video quality is okay on this. This is the first video, so trial and error, I guess. Now in the future, I hope to do like maybe some trading card type unboxings. Maybe like some Pokemon or Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter type stuff. If you guys are interested in that, let me know. Got another Roger Clemens. Well, I guess that was the end of those cards. So now we are going to open up some 92 Donruss Series 1. As you see, these are all sealed. Everything I own is sealed. That way, so it makes it more entertaining and not staged. These ones also have puzzle pieces in them. We got a John Kruk Diamond Kings special. Now these cards right here, I actually bought some of these styles back when I collected cards when I was a kid. No, I only have 2 packs of these cards. This is the last pack. So a lot of these I have about 20 packs. Ricky Henderson. Juan Gonzalez. Let's see. Let's go with, I got 2 of these, 92 Donruss triple plays. Oh, we have an old rub-off card to try to win tickets to the 93 All-Star game back then. Little hot shots. Got Tino. Looks like we're about 18 minutes in now. Looks like we got a special at the last card. Bo Jackson. A little hot shots. Guess who? Yeah, Ken Griffey Jr. And we have Gallery of Stars special. Let's see. Now we will move. I got 2 packs of these. 1992 Studio, and they are by Leaf. Right off the top, we got a Tom Glavine. Greg Maddux. Another Ken Griffey Jr. Juan Gonzalez. Man, these cards are flipped every which direction. Old Jack Morris. I think this is going to be the last pack for this part of the video unboxing. I'll start another one up. Sammy Sosa. Big Hurt Frank Thomas. Old Cecil. And the last card. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the unpacking of these baseball cards, and if you liked the video, I know it probably wasn't the best, but please give me a like and a subscribe so we can keep growing and we can get more variety of cards. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.